Most people research term insurance plans for weeks. They compare features, check premiums, read reviews, and then they pick a company based on which ad they saw most recently, or which insurer their friend recommended, or simply the one which was the cheapest. That is the wrong way to choose. A term insurance plan can run for 30 or 40 years. The company you pick today is the company your family will be dealing with when they file a claim. The premium difference between two insurers is often a few hundred rupees a year. But the difference is what happens at the claim stage can be enormous. Premium is the last thing you should be comparing. The 5 criteria in this video are what actually matters. What makes a term insurance company reliable in India comes down to one question. Will they pay your family when the time comes? That question has 5 measurable answers. A claim settlement ratio that holds up over time. A solvency ratio that confirms financial strength. A claim processing speed that meets the regulatory standards. A rider menu that extends your cover. And a grievance record that shows how the company treats customers when things go wrong. IRDAI, the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, publishes data on all 5 for every registered life insurer at irdai.gov.in. You do not have to take any insurer's word for it. Reliability in term insurance is not about brand size or advertising spend. It is about the regulatory track record. IRDAI requires every life insurer to disclose its claim settlement ratio, solvency ratio, and grievance data publicly every year. That means you can compare insurers on the criteria that actually matter before you sign anything. Most buyers never look at this data. The ones who do make a significantly better decision. Here are the 5 criteria. Criterion 1. Claim settlement ratio, 3-year trend. The claim settlement ratio is the percentage of death claims an insurer paid out versus the total claims it receives in a financial year. If the insurer receives 1,000 claims and paid 980, the ratio is 98%. IRDAI publishes this annually at irdai.gov.in. Look at the 3-year trend, not just the latest year. One good year can be a statistical outlier. An insurer consistently above 97% for 3 consecutive years has demonstrated a reliable pattern. A sharp dip in 1 year deserves a closer look before you commit. Criterion 2. Solvency ratio. The solvency ratio compares an insurer's available assets against its liabilities. IRDAI mandates a minimum of 1.5 for all life insurers. A ratio significantly above 1.5 gives your family a greater financial cushion. Find this in the insurer's annual report or regulatory disclosures. A term plan can run for 30 to 40 years. You need to know the insurer will be financially strong enough to pay claim decades for now. Criterion 3. Claim processing speed. Once all required documents are submitted, death certificate, policy document, ID proof, and bank details, IRDAI regulations mandate that insurers settle all valid claims within 15 days for cases that do not require further investigation and 45 days for cases requiring investigation. Check whether the insurer's claim process is digital or paper-based. A digital process with online tracking is faster and easier for your nominee to navigate. If the claim section on the insurer's website is hard to find or understand, that is a warning sign. Criterion 4. Rider options available. Riders are optional add-ons attached to a base term plan. They extend your cover beyond the death benefit. Common ones include critical illness cover, accidental death benefit, and a waiver of premium on disability. A critical illness rider pays a lump sum on diagnosis of a covered condition even while you are alive. Check which rider each insurer offers and whether they addresses the risk most relevant to your situation. Criterion 5. Grievance redressal record. IRDAI publishes data on complaints received per insurer relative to policies issued and how many were resolved. This tells you how the company treats customers when something goes wrong that is not a death claim. A high complaint volume or low resolution rate is a red flag regardless of how strong the claim settlement ratio looks. Use the 3-year trend. A single high number does not tell you much. 3 consecutive years above 97% is a reliable signal. A sharp fall followed by a recovery could mean the insurer tightened underwriting or had an unusual year. Ask why before you discount or accept the number. ABSLI's individual claim settlement ratio for financial year 2026 stands at 98.86% as per annual audited figures submitted to IRDAI for the period financial year 2025 to 2026. The solvency ratio and claim processing speed both answer the same underlying question from different angles. The solvency ratio asks, does the insurer have the financial strength to pay? The claim speed asks, when they do pay, how long will your family have to wait? On solvency, IRDAI requires a minimum of 1.5. An insurer at exactly 1.5 is meeting the minimum. An insurance significantly above that has stronger financial buffer. Verify this from the insurer's regulatory disclosure, not from marketing material. On claim speed, the 15-day IRDAI mandate applies once all documents are submitted and are proved valid. Make sure your nominee knows which documents are required. Incomplete documentation is the most common reason claims take longer than they should. Here is a 5-step process. Each step tells you exactly what to do, where to find the data. Step 1. Go to irdi.gov.in and check the claim settlement ratio for each insurer on your shortlist over the last 3 years. Remove any that do not consistently hold above 97%. Step 2. Check the solvency ratio in each insurer's annual report. Confirm it is above 1.5. Step 3. Visit the claim section on each insurer's website. Is it clear and digital? Can your nominee find it easily? Step 4. Check the rider menu against your own situation, your health, your occupation, your dependents. Step 5. Look up the IRDAI grievance data. Add complaint volume and resolution rate to everything from step 1 to 4. The insurer that performs well across all 5 is the right company. ABSLI's claim settlement ratio for financial year 2026 stands at 98.86% as disclosed on the company website. ABSLI terms plan include riders covering critical illness, accidental death, and waiver of premium disability. Details and premium quotes are at the link in the description. Before I wrap, here are the 3 questions I get asked most about choosing a term insurance company in India. How do I check a term insurance company's claim settlement ratio in India? IRDAI publishes claim settlement ratio for all life insurers in its annual report at irdai.gov.in. Look at the 3-year trend, not just latest figure. A consistently high ratio above 97% is the benchmark to aim for. What is the IRDAI minimum solvency ratio for term insurance companies? IRDAI mandates a minimum solvency ratio of 1.5 for all life insurers in India. A ratio above 1.5 indicates greater financial cushion to pay claims. Check the latest figure in the insurance regulatory disclosures. How long does a term insurance company have to settle a claim in India? IRDAI mandates that insurers settle claims within 15 days of receiving all required valid documents. If investigation is needed, the insurer must complete it within 45 days and communicate the decision to the nominee. You just did what most term insurance buyers never do. You look past the premium and ask the right questions. Hit like, subscribe, and find ABSLI's term plan details in the description.